Hello everyone, my name is Samurai Thompson. What we're about to do now is unbox my brand new PlayStation 4. So I've been to game, brought my game console, and I got myself a good deal. So console I got is a white PS4, and with the deal that I got was I got 3 games with it, so it was great. So I got a slim version, white version. 3 games that I got with it was the new God of War, and then I got Fallout 4 and Destiny 2. Now it's time to unbox the PS4. Okay, so here's our setup. So the first game we have that came with the bundle was Fallout 4. That is a good game too. God of War, 10 out of 10 results. This was I've already saw a playthrough of this, and I gotta say it's brilliant. I can't wait to play it. Destiny 2. Okay, so this is the front side of the PlayStation 4. I got the Glacier White Edition. HDR, it's VR ready as well, 500GB. Side just shows all the connections and stuff. There's the top, and then you've got the back with all sorts of displays in there. There's Uncharted there, and then there's some other games, brilliant titles, and it's telling you about how you can have Netflix, on their YouTube, etc., and PlayStation Plus, or just some other advertisements. So there's a seal on the top here, and we're just going to remove the seal. Nice and sealed this one is. Okay, I'm going to try and keep this box straight. There we go. Got some side flaps here. And cables there. So we've got a few cables here. A USB 2.0, just standard cable. Then we've got a HDMI cable as well. PlayStation 4 controller. Some manuals. And then we get the PlayStation 4 itself. Right here. It's actually quite a bit to pull out. But yeah, we finally got it out. There's nothing else in the box. And that's it for the box for now. So, 2 little things. This is probably for shocking. So when it's being transported, it doesn't get shocked or anything like that. And here's where the magic happens. There we go. A Glacier White PlayStation 4 Slim Edition. That looks nice. And then we've got our PlayStation 4 controller. Oh wow. Really like that. So a little closer look of it. There's a top, back side, bottom. Front side of the PS4. We've got the sides. And I think that's for extra hard drive. And we've got the back. You can't really see the reflection on there because of the lighting, but yeah. Then we got the inputs and outputs that are at the back. It's pretty slim, I like it. That's for the fan extraction over there. Yeah, great stuff. Now that's a beautiful shot. And just one more thing, the controller itself. So you also get some headphones with it, which is cool. Clip on, put in the controller. Then you got USB. Pretty cool. HDMI cable. Standard European cable. And your manuals.